Yay! Bye bye, sucker. Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm back at the shop. Late night work. I'm gonna do some work on the G over here. We're gonna strip out the interior. I'm gonna get everything I need to, well, I think I need to get going on it. I think I need to pull the car forward a little bit because we're kind of running out of room. Not really. We got plenty of room back here, but we do have other cars in here, and I think I need to pull the car over there. So you guys will get to see this car run a little bit. Well, hopefully. I haven't started it in a couple of weeks, and it does have bad gas in it. Well, I don't know if it's bad gas. Well, I guess it is bad gas because it's like 5 years old. So we don't want to run it too long because it smells like shit when it starts. You know, like a nasty freaking lawnmower. But let's see if it'll run and get it a little more room so we can get this interior pulled out. Come on, baby. There it goes. Oh yeah. Oh. See, it's like in limp mode. I don't really know why. Someone want to help me out with that. Like our nice fancy door handle. I don't know what I'm doing. Shoot. All right, let's get this pulled forward. Do a little. So here's our G. I put the window up. I was hoping I didn't lock it in there. That would have sucked. But here's our drift G. It's got a carbon fiber hood. It's not attached, but I got some hood mounts. There's a nice, lovely engine. Got a lid. I don't know if you can tell or not. I'll see in post. Oh yeah. Exhaust system, tinted tail lights. Oh, we got some nice wheels on here. You gotta pick up the other one. Order one and go pick up the other. Yeah. I got lucky when I got it to start. I ended up had to put a different battery in it, but I was cranking on it, and I was like, this thing's not gonna start. Then I was about ready to leave and decided, you know what? I'm gonna try one more time. One more time, I'm gonna crank on this thing. And I cranked on it, and guess what? It started. I was super excited. I think I got some footage of it, but yeah, I don't know if I'll put it in here or not. But let me get it set up so we can start taking this interior out. Drift life, man. Drift life. Put the key somewhere safe. Put the key right here. That's where the key going. So Nick and 10 know that. But let me get it set up a little bit different so we can start ripping this stuff out, all right? But hey, you know what you can order off of Amazon? Little baby monsters. I thought I was ordering the 16 ounces for work and stuff, but well, no, they're 10.5, not even 12. So I call them little baby monsters. And here I'm gonna drink this and we're gonna get started. Cool beans right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this front seat out of the way so we can start getting the seats out, and the rest of the interior will be easier to get to. I kind of messed up. I said when I was messing with my phone thing, I hit stop, so I lost part of the footage. So just a little update on what I did. So I got the headliner out. The seat out, obviously, you've probably seen that. I got the back seat out. This trim piece out. So now we're gonna go over here, work on that side so that we can get the center console. I like to try to get the center console out without breaking anything. You didn't even get to see it. When I popped the headliner down, it had a freaking rat's nest or mice nest. It was right there. It's pretty big, actually. But I mean, if you figured the car's been sitting for like 5 years, so there it is. Nasty. If it had mice in here, hopefully they didn't chew any wires up. Let's hope not. Maybe. But I'm gonna jump to the other side now, and we're gonna tackle this stuff. Alright, well, shift knob's being a pain in the butt. So, we're looking for these little screws right here, and we're gonna attempt to take them apart. So, we'll get back at it. Well, that's for €1. Pocket that one. Found a carcass. Disgusting. All right. So it's pretty much stripped out. If I lost footage, so I got everything out of the trunk, nice wiring, and obviously the sound deadening stuff I'll have to get out later. I got a mess. This all came out of this G right here. A dash was all this came out. See, now my lights are still on. I don't understand it. So we got, get my cell phone. Some tools are still left in here, but that'll do. Best see the best you can, but yeah, all the seats are out except for the driver one, so we at least move it around. Dash is 90%. Dash is 90% out, and it's pretty cool. Gotta finish cleaning it all up, then we'll see about putting a cage in it. Yeah, so it's been a long night. I don't even know what time it is. I think, what did I start, about midnight? 11:30? Midnight? I don't know. I'm getting the light for you. My phone's about to die. Siri's going off. 3:03. So if I don't spend time cleaning up, I'll get home at 4. If I do spend time cleaning up, I'll get home at 5. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm gonna mess with by getting these lights back off. And then I'm gonna take off. I'll be back here tomorrow. So this is the end of stripping the car out. It's 90% done. We got to do a little bit more before a cage can go in. And yeah, that was a lot of fun. Glad I could make it out here tonight. Till the next one.